Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of Assets in Sato, which is located near Yalanka in Satnoor in North Bangalore, a project developed by Asset Group. And today in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status of the project, and even about the position. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are here exactly at the land parcel and the marketing office is just behind me. And about the land parcel is just behind the marketing office where the construction work is going on. And now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 7 acres of land parcel with 4 elegant towers, 2 basement, ground plus 14 floors, having 3 and 4 BHK premium apartment. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located in Satnoor near Yalanka, North Bangalore. And now let me show you that this road on my backhand side will connect you to Bagalur, and on this side will connect you towards Thani Sandra main road. And about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Reva University in 2 minutes from the project. Amazon office is 4 minutes away. Bhartiya Mall of Bangalore is 5 minutes away. And Manipal Hospital is 15 minutes from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures. And the vitrified tiles, SS sink, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the external amenities. So this project provides you world-class amenities like of, let's check out over here. So as you can check out, here is the multi-purpose pool, the garden area, the grand clubhouse, jogging track with the swimming pool. Here's the half basketball court, kids play area, sitting area, open gymnasium, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the parking provision, and this project is one type of parking facility, that is the multi-level car parking. Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the master plan of Assets in Sato. As you can see in the image, there are a total of 4 towers constructed on this land parcel, where this tower are for 14 floors with luxurious amenities. Let's now have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2159 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2203 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 2955 square feet super built-up area. Now coming to the construction status of the project, and just behind me there is a land parcel where the construction work is going on in full progress, and till excavation work, the work is completed. And now about the position part. So the position of Assets in Sato is by May 2030. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com, where along with the project details, you can even check out the pros and cons of the project as well. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Assets Zen and Sato, which is located near Yalanka in Satnoor, North Bangalore, a project developed by Assets Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.